Hello viewer, at my last video I showed you how to download and install Eclipse. In this video I will show you how to create workspace, create project, create package, create test-ng class, develop a script and execution for that script. So that's all about my today's topics. I believe those who are new in Selenium automation testing, this will be more helpful for you as a starting point. So let's open the Eclipse first. So first time Eclipse opening it takes little time. It is asking for the workspace. Let's create a new workspace for our test. Browse, click browse, then go to desktop, create any folder with your name like new folder Selenium test, just Selenium test. Okay, select folder, that is my workspace Selenium test. Then click launch. Eclipse will open for you now. This is the Eclipse window where you will write your code, automation testing code. So first you have to go to file, then click new, then you have to click project. Then it is asking which project you will be create for this. We'll go for Java project, click next. Then you have to name your project. I'll be putting as project 1, then click finish. By default Java environment and workspace. Click finish. Check remember my decision, open perspective, click finish. So project is created over here. If you expand the project, you will see there is system library and source folder. Basically from source folder you have to create your package. Go to source, select source folder, right click and then click new package. Package name basically it is reversed to the domain name. Again it depends on your project. So com.test, this is my package name. Click finish. It is package created. Once package is created, then right click new. We see over here like a class interface, lot of things. We'll go for other because we are going for test-ng class creation. So scroll down, there is a test-ng over here, test-ng class. Click next. Here you have to put up to source folder. Here is your test class name. Let's say we'll put class name Google search. And we are taking before method and after method. This is the test-ng annotation, all we have. I'll make another video explaining for all test-ng annotation. So now we are taking before method and after method. Then click finish. You see your class is created over here. So we see couple of red mark in our project. We have to remove that red error. If you mouse over any of over here, you see there is a 3 quick fix available. So it is basically test-ng library is not in our project. We have to add test-ng library. Then go add test-ng library, all error will be gone. You see all error is gone. Now take a look. Here is 3 different methods. One is before method, another one is after method, another one is test. So organize this way, put it before method at first, then test, then after method, like this way. This is test, this is after method, right? So let's try to write the test script. First we are working for WebDriver. WebDriver is the interface of Selenium. WebDriver driver equal to now. Here you see WebDriver is the a red mark, I mean error in. So if you mouse over here, you see there is whatever option is coming, we are not taking any of those. I know why this error is coming. We created a project package and class, but till we didn't even import the Selenium jar file in the project. That is the main important thing. It should go fast, but I forgot somehow. So go to project, right click, then go properties. So then Java build path, you see project, then library. Library, we have to go add external jar. Then you have to look for your Selenium. I downloaded and paste it to the my documents folder. So let's look for the Selenium tutorial. Selenium tutorial, there is a Selenium Java jar. So first take these two jar, open, and also add external jar. There is couple of jar in the library folder. Control A and open that one. All jar added. Click apply, then apply and close. Now if you do mouse over here, WebDriver, you see there's a import WebDriver org openqa.selenium. Basically you need that. Now WebDriver error is gone. Now come to the before method. First we have to system dot set property. Oh, sorry, this error. Click over here. System dot set properties. We'll take set properties. Now set property basically. System dot set property. Here is key and value. Key value is the location of your which driver you will open for. Let's say we will open our test in Chrome browser. So WebDriver dot Chrome dot driver. Now we need the location for Chrome driver. Let me take a look where I downloaded Chrome driver. Download. Maybe let's say this one, I believe. 945. Okay, I believe this one is the latest one. So I took the path, put it over here, then what is the name of my Chrome driver? Chrome driver.exe. Copy the file name. So this is Chrome driver we have over here. Then initialize driver equal to new Chrome driver. Also you see Chrome driver is the red error. So if you mouse over here, you see Chrome driver is not in our path, so import that one. Chrome driver. Then driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. We'll maximize the window. Then driver dot get https://www.google.com. So it will open my Chrome browser with Google homepage. Let's put a system of the print method. It will put your it will print console whatever message you will send. I'll send Chrome browser and open with Google homepage. If it is open and come to this point, it will print out this message in console. So test, we are not doing any test at this moment, just to make sure all our setup is working. Right now I am put the message like that way. So this is test method. Then go to the after method. I am closing the browser driver.close. Also I'm putting custom message like Chrome browser closed successfully. Okay, this is basic code written is completed. Then click save. Let me expand a little bit so that you will see the all code together. Okay, now save it. Let's say right click and run as test-ng test. So it opened Chrome browser, it maximized, and it is closed. So let's see our message. What does it do? Test run 1, failure 0, skip 0. That means fast 1. That means test is fast. If you go, you see Chrome browser opened with Google homepage. First before method. This is test method. This is close browser. So all are working fine. Now we have to write the code for testing code in this within this block. What is our agenda? Let's say create workspace. We did it successfully. Create project. Also it is successful. Create package. Also it is successful. Create test-ng class. It is successful. Develop a script. This is not yet completed, but we did something. Also we have partially execution is done. So whatever we'll do, search through Google and capture search result. Okay, let's open Chrome browser. Let's say we'll go google.com. First we have to find the search box element properties. ID is good for us. If ID is not present for the search box, we'll go for name or any other thing. Let me see. So right click, many different tools you can identify the XPath or ID. So I'm doing it manually by browser version. Click inspect. It will inspect this box. Basically this is the code which is box represent. So if you see class is this one, JavaScript action, this one, maximum length, name is Q, type text, there is no ID. I don't see there is any ID. So I'll go for name equal to Q, this box. So we are going to the code level, driver dot find element by dot name. We see name is Q. Then dot send keys. We can search with the name. Let's say Selenium WebDriver. I will search with this. Yeah. Then we have to, let's do another way. Web element equal to this one. You see web element, it is red mark. If you mouse over, there is the option import web element. So error is gone. Once you will put it in a web element, then you don't need to perform action over here. So let me do that way, semicolon, it is done. Then you have to element dot send keys WebDriver, right? This is done. Then once it is done, again, like real life, what we do, we write, let's say this is Google. If you write search string over here, Selenium, after writing this, you can click Google search or you can hit enter. Either way it will work. So for the code level, now I am doing, it will do enter. So element dot send case, I will put it over here, case dot enter. That means after sending this Selenium WebDriver search keyword, then I am hitting enter. Then once I hit enter, you see there is a search result. How many? Here is the search result, right? So we will capture the search result. Let's say once search result appear, right click on the search result, click inspect, you will see this is the search result. If you div id equal to result stats, that one, that means we got id in here, so we are good for id. In Selenium, IDs work very fine. So for my experience, if you get ID, don't look at any other thing. Now again, web element 1 equal to driver dot find element by dot ID. What is the ID? Result stats. Put it semicolon. Then element 1 dot ment element 1 dot get text. We will capture that text, how many search result we have. So let's put it in a string for this one, a string search result equal to element 1 dot get text. Now print this search result in here. Search result is plus search is equal to search result. This is all about our code, what we did. Let me explain the code, then I will run it. So here is the WebDriver initialization. WebDriver is the interface of Selenium. Then before method, we just initialize browser initialization, and then browser will open with a Google homepage. In the test method, whatever we did, we figured it out the search box, then perform the action. We send keys means we are typing something, then we got the search result. We are putting that search result in a variable and capture it. So it should capture the search result and it will print in console. Then once my test is done, then I close the browser in after method. So that's all about my code, and I believe this will cover whatever my agenda script, developing a script, it is done. then test execution. It is also run till I can run it, but I'm making it as a green. So now right click, run as test-ng test. Browser open, maximize. It starts with Selenium WebDriver. It figure it out the result. It's so fast. It is Selenium automation testing. This supports cross-browser, cross-platform testing, web testing, like desktop application testing, like the unit test case it will do by like performance testing too. So it is our search result and it is captured and printed correctly. And also after performing action, it closes the browser. That's all about today's agenda, today's topics. I believe this will be helpful for you as a starter point of view. If you think this is helpful, please like my video, subscribe my channel, share it to others and also social media. Also, if you have any question or you want to know more anything about today's agenda, please feel free to comment. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.